Got Solomon today.
Hey!
Lauren, you ready? You gonna catch a fish?
Yeah.
Got all them rods rigged up.
Ready to go, baby.
Lauren cracking a beer on the way out. The second one. How many is that, Lauren? What number is that?
Like a champ.
Hit the coffee. Hey, I can't believe how calm it is. Like a pee break. Going fishing, Lauren. I hope that shark gets you.
Oh shit, what is that?
I hope the shark gets you.
I have to focus. Look at him.
I just can't believe it's this calm 20 miles out. You have a fun ride? How many beers is that? Hold it up. You embarrassed? Oh, look how calm it is. Oh, something took that whole thread fin? Dude. I looked over and his pole was like this.
I wonder how he didn't get hooked. He was on there.
That was a cobia. That was exciting.
Yeah, it was. I think it's ripped or cut the tail.
I see that you didn't. There you go.
Oh yeah, that's a fish.
There you go, buddy. Get, oh! Get him up. Get him up. What? What kind of fish is it? Big snapper! Woohoo, buddy! Nice. That's a mango. Right there.
That's a decent one.
Okay. Damn, that's a lot bigger. Got that free line. Letting it go. Get this one on video. Throw some shrimp in for some help, backup support. Why didn't you get one yet, Solomon?
Too scared to step on your cushion.
Yeah. Well, there he goes.
God damn.
Yeah, they're running like crazy. They got blue runners out here, I think. They're strong little fish. Yeah, they're blue runners. A little too late. Wild blue runners. They're fast. Alright, there you go. Little grunt.
Brunsky.
Good job. Big snapper. Nope. Oh, look at that. I could flip him in.
Oh, goddamn. Come on, little Solomon.
Snapper and a half, boy.
That's a keeper.
Get 20 of them. That's a good day.
Mm-hmm.
God, they fight so good. I love these things.
They do fight like hell.
15. These aren't even 15 and we've caught them over 20. Snapper! Don't be a grunt. Don't be a grunt.
I don't think it's a grunt.
Oh my God.
Big ass grunt.
Oh! Big snapper.
They're there.
On the double thread fish. Is it a snapper? That little snapper. Snapper like pink.
Baby guy. He might
Run. What? There we go. That's what we came for.
bingo.
That was a big mango. Just broke him off in the rock. You gotta realize you're half a mile out there. You gotta reel fast there.
You saw how fast I was reeling.
He's swimming down as you're reeling to do.
He broke the braid.
Oh, there's a fish. There we go. That feels like a snapper.
Sounds like it.
Yep, big mango. Yeah, don't ever underestimate a snapper. Feels pretty heavy. It's a snapper. That looks like a huge grunt. It is. What is that thing? These things are smooshed. There you go. Thought it broke the big pole. What the hell? Something was looking at it when you picked it up. You got him excited when you moved it.
Man, I thought he was on there.
Did he just break or fall off?
It felt like a break.
Looks like he fell off.
Fell off, split the hook. Damn it.
Wow. Look at that, Lauren's a fisherman now. Watch him be the only snapper. That would be funny. Fish of the day.
Oh, hell yeah. Get him, get him, get him.
Get this other pole. Oh, buddy.
Whoa.
Get these poles out of the way, please.
Alright, coming. What is that, a cove?
Probably.
Get him, get him, get him.
Look, it says 1 or 2. What the fuck?
Yeah, I'll come get it.
I feel like it just fell off.
Oh, no.
It did.
No. He's swimming to you, please.
Now he
God.
fell off. And now he's swimming down. Get these poles out of the way. Oh, it's a big fish. It's a big fish.
He's behind the seat.
I don't know, it feels like a big ass shark. Holy shit, it's
That was
heavy.
on the free line.
It's heavy. Can't even budge him.
Let him run.
Alright, I'll get him up a little at a time. He's coming. I mean, he's manageable. It's not a Goliath. It might be.
Fucking Ray.
Might be a big nurse shark.
No, nurses don't run like that.
Should we just pull the anchor up? I don't have to worry about it. No?
Don't do that. Give me a full anchor.
You want to? It does feel like a ray. Look how heavy he is. He's not even budging.
Yeah.
But he ate it on the surface, didn't he?
See what?
Didn't he come up and eat it on the
Free
surface?
line, yeah.
Look at this. This isn't the same fish I started off fighting. The fish I started off with was small. This is massive, whatever I got now. This is whatever ate whatever I cooked. This is huge. I can't stop it.
Here, I'm
Fucking-
pulling anchor up. We're gonna run on him.
Alright, let's chase him.
Here.
Hurry up.
I'm coming.
Feels like he's in the rock.
I'm not marking anything.
How can that fish this big even hide? The fuck did he go into?
Actually, I'm marking the bottom right now.
He's in the cave. Yeah, I am getting a lot of bites. That's weird.
That's what I hate. That's a fish, dude.
Yeah. Must be big ass grunts. They funny if they're little baby red groupers. Oh my god, they are grouper.
Hell yeah. That's basically a grouper.
Oh my god.
That's funny.
The sea bass.
It's been a while since I've fucking
Dude, that's a pig. The hell of a sea bass. Ow. Ooh, the hook went right in my finger. Well, I guess I'll throw him. Oh my god, I've had a fish on this whole time. I got a little sea bass on. I didn't feel his ass. The pole's so big. Look at that. That's sad. The funny thing is it's actually a big sea bass. I feel like these are all keepers too. Come on, see a keeper red. It's a little one. It's like a good fight. It's a nice red. Aren't they fun?
Hell yeah, they are.
Let's circle hook through the work. Let's see if one hook. Thing want to hook itself.
Yes.
Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Oh yeah. That's a nice red. It was dead weight when he picked it up. Oh yeah.
Hell yeah, drifting into it.
I think he's probably 18. Oh my god, he's so small. What the hell? He put up a heck of a fight.
That's the biggest one we caught.
They're strong, I'm sorry.
Go Lauren, go Lauren! Seabass.
Lauren catching that grouper bait. What you got? Grunt! That's what we're looking for. This is fun.
Hell yeah, dude.
This is way better than the reef. Red grouper. Dude, getting good practice with that rod. I like it. Another grunt. Another grunt. Another red grouper.
The hogfish.
Sea bass. Look at catching game fish now. She's gonna have her own TV show pretty soon. Now take them off. Let's see you take them off. Actually, bass, you can probably lift them. Sea bass. Sea bass on a lizard fish. Damn. Little black tip? No, it's a sharp nose. That's like the one we caught yesterday, but a lot smaller.
You wanna keep him?
I'm not keeping fish. I don't want to gut them, so 3 or more will fall on my grouper.
Talk about shitty fish.
I'm trying to get a drink of Gatorade and hook this monster. It's actually one of the biggest ones. Get right.
Small 20.
It might be 16.
Are you sure it's 20?
Look how fat he is. He's been eating all of our bait. Yeah, it's funny. He's only 15 inches.
Is he really? 5 more inches?
He's gotta be 5 inches bigger than that. Isn't that crazy? What you got? Got a monster? What the hell is it? What you got? Keeper sea bass. This is a big sea bass, Laura. A lot of people would be so happy to catch one of those. Look at that thing. That's like a picture-worthy sea bass. Never taken a picture with a sea bass before. You're the grunt slayer or the big pinfish. Give me that.
Oh man, I call it.
Give me.
That's the biggest-
Oh shit.
That's it.
Oh
That's
shit.
it. That's a shark.
Yeah, it's not a grouper.
No.
I tighten the drag so much. I gotta keep him in the water. Kill him. Christ.
Yeah, screaming.
I locked my drag down to where it couldn't even move. I was testing to see how big he was. He was bigger than I thought. I was tightening the drag to see if he would stop. Should have just let him run, because I didn't want to fight him for an hour if it was just shark. Oh yeah. Oh, I'll take that pinfish.
No, I'll take that pinfish.
Give me that pinfish. Give me that pinfish. He's a big pinfish. Come on. God, why is he so big? What's you slaying over here, Lauren? Getting the baby grunts.
That boat looks like a massacre. Putting her to work.
Going offshore in the stick boat, what do you think?
After a long day of fishing.
Look at everyone, she's happy now. Got food, long bed feeding. on, eat it. Eat it all.